Welcome to the awards back on stage. Look at all of you. Whoa, why are you wearing cardigans? Well, my name is Bonnie, so Paula and Zaki. Today's topic is just tell me your favorite snack if it's good enough to be. So if I like your snack, you get sent by Angel of the Assistant. Oh, that is so good. But if your snack is so bad, the devil of disgustingness will scream at you. That's what's irritating. What's wrong with you? So is this guy, but I want to hear from you. I like razor and celery. I like eat them a lot. It's healthy and good for my head decency. Yeah, that's the riddle. Eating a lot is funny. No one here to tell me usual. I only eat marshmallows for breakfast, lunch, dinner, fluffing your stuff. Marshmallows all day. Go. With filmy clouds, with sweet splendor, and a dog is the prettiest and the finest marshmallows in the whole town. We don't know what you're saying. Okay, marshmallows so good, they're so good. Part, let's brush it for my friends. Free stop, free stop. Me, I will send autographs at the mall for 5 p.m. and show you the. It's a Friday, fun day. You bring me 50 $. I say your name in this channel, your life is better forever. Your life is like DW. And that's cold. What do you eat me? Fever, let me dance. Don't miss it off. There was this guy. She's gonna be the worst villain. Also, remember, don't be like Walter from the Beatbox. Why did you not invite me in the club? Be more like these two girls. Do you ever need the hand? No, miss the girls. Any girls on this should go. They call me Sassy, but my name is Bonnie. Let's put them together. It's Sassy Bonnie time. Yo, Sassy Bonnie time. Yo, Sassy Bonnie time.